Hi folks, we're back and we're back with our recreational center, and I've added stairs here, and right now in this area we're going to have showers, and this is going to be our training area. So I'm going to just label these areas. This is going to be training. Look at locks. We have training area. What's going on here? Okay, so training area, and this will be this here will be our men's locker. Yeah, this will be the men's locker here. Let me see how we got it here. We'll keep it organized. So the men's will be here. There, and this is going to be a shower area. So what I'm going to do here, let's see how little distance we got here. 10 feet. Nah, that's pretty good. We got here 9 feet. Okay, we'll leave that there. But what we'll do is we'll do a little wall here. I'm going to just do this a lot here. We're going to do a wall right here. I'm going to do another wall at the center point there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just drag this down and delete this out. So this will be a shower area here. Maybe you want to make this wall a little bigger here, because we're gonna have plumbing in here. Yep, we're gonna go here, and I might want to copy this. Let's go with 8 inches at least. That should be enough, or maybe even a foot here. Okay, what's going on here? There's our plumbing walls, and then I might just do a cased opening here. So we're going to go door, and we're going to go with, I always do this, I don't know why, I can't remember this, do this, insert, gosh, come on, where you at? Cancel this. Oh gosh. Woo. Nerves. Oh God, man. So now what I want to do here is brain fart. So I'm just going to add women's locker here. I'm going to insert, this will be the women's locker. It'll be here. This will be a shower area, so what I'm going to do here, let's go and insert a case opening here. That'll be a door. Come on now. Go ahead, load family here. Wow. We'll call it, we want to search for case opening. Spell like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm not really searching how to do this. So what I'm gonna do, no, that's not what I want. So when we go here, we're just gonna go to opening door. Let's go to door. Boy, what's going on, Robert? They're here. We got all these openings. I just want a cased opening for this area, but I'm not going to stress and worry about that right now because we got a lot of things to do. But we know that this is the men's and women's locker. We're going to make this a shower area here. This is going to be a training area. Here, we're probably going to need, this is for our utility room here. So we're going to go and add a door right, say here. We're gonna have our heating, air conditioning, and everything, and then we're gonna need an elevator here. Okay, so and then our bathrooms here. So at some point here, now my next feature here, I'm gonna add a kitchen in here, in this area, because that was required. They wanted a kitchen, so I'm gonna probably do a kitchen here with access, but also have access here to the gym. And anyway, guys, let's see. I'm gonna just add a door here. Don't need nothing too fancy. Just a door to the gym. And I'm gonna go up this way because this area I want to keep clear for entry. And this portion over here is gonna be a food retail area if possible. Maybe a restaurant or whatever in this area, but over here is our training area, and then here want another access to the gymnasium. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to get this shower in order, and see you in the next video. Everybody be safe. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this every day. So this is our first level. We're moving on, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody. Please subscribe. Bye. Everybody be safe.